Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix pin comment not showing on your TikTok videos. So first of all, just make sure your TikTok is up to date. So open your Play Store or App Store in your mobile and in the search bar search for this TikTok application and make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. After assuring that, just open your TikTok application on your mobile. Now go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then open your video. Now open this comment section, tap and hold on it and you can see there is no pin comment option. So let's fix it. So what you have to do is just go back to your profile and tap on these three bars. Click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down. You will see this option report a problem. Just tap on it. Scroll down and you will see this option follow likes comments. Click on it. Now from here just tap on this comment and click on this other. From here tap on this no and click on need more help, and from here you have to type something like this: hello TikTok team, I can't pin comments on my video. I don't get pin comment feature. Please provide me pin comment option. So just write something like this and then you can upload your problem screenshot and then just tap on this submit button, and after this wait for the answer from the TikTok team and they will solve your problem as soon as possible. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.